Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss to you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give how many gallons of liquid. It can be water, gasoline, beverages, and then it will convert into liters in C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have here sharp include stdio.h. It is basic library file for in every C programs for standard input output. Std means standard, io means input output. Int main, it is the starting and ending point of every C program. We have here begin, and then we have here to declare two variables which has a data type of integer. If you are new with C programming, when we say integer, it refers to data type that can only accept whole number, negative and positive, including 0. So we have here number underscore gallons equals 0, number underscore liters. Printf or print formatting in C, we have here new line, \n is new line. You can refer this in the escape sequence characters in C. And then we have here printf gallons to liters in C. The \t is horizontal tab. It will move the text on the right tab. New line here, and then in this line of code we are asking the user to give how many gallons. That will be stored in our variable underscore gallons. Ampersand is pointer to %d, decimal. And then number underscore letters will be your assignment statement, equals number underscore gallons. We simply multiply by 4. So gallons is equivalent to 4 liters. Printf, and then we display the value here, %gallons equivalent to liters, and comma underscore gallons underscore liters. New line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Printf to new line, return 0. It will return to our operating system. In this case, I'm using Windows 7. Right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete program listing of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Okay, let us proceed with going to our dev C++. I'm using dev C++ in writing this C program. Go to execute, compile and run. Okay, our program is running right now. Gallons to liters in C. How many liters? Let's say 7. 7 times 4 will be 28 now. So 7 gallons is equivalent to 28 liters. End of program. Another example, let us run again. Let's say we have 3 gallons. So 3 gallons is equivalent to 12 liters. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on gallons to liters in C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.